around 1:30 I just hear place street blade in the front, gunshot in front of my house. Papa, papa. Sunday will come out. We are DSS, we are soldier, we are do this. So and now I peeped through in the window. I saw them with uniform, DSS uniform, and soldier, Nigerian army. So I was, I was surprised that what is problem? Because I never kill anybody, I never fight with anybody. What I'm doing is to fight for my people. Then all the rally I'm doing is a peaceful rally. So I fight for my family because all the Fulani bandits kill my family, rape them, kidnap them, take ransom from them. So that I know some government refuse to do the right thing for my family. That's why I come out to support my family to fight for our rights. So I was surprised.
So you were in the house this morning when they came?
Yes.
So we saw blood on the ground. We saw that were people killed? How many people were taken away? If people were taken away?
Yes, they killed. There was a two guy. There are two guys that they killed around 2:00 in the morning when shooting too much. So then he destroyed all my property, destroyed all my vehicle, all my houses, all the property I have. I have like a 2 million inside my wardrobe.